This is a Robalo R200ES. She's a 2017, and this is the original owner that purchased her new. She's sitting on a Coyote aluminum I-beam dual axle trailer, which does feature the folding tongue to fit in the garage better. She has the forward seating with backrest. All of her interior cushions have been updated. Her console opens forward to relieve space where you can put a head. She holds 70 gallons of fuel. She has dual batteries with a battery switch. She has a Garmin 741 XS GPS chart plotter and fish finder. Under her transom seating, she has a live bait well and access to her batteries. She has a stereo system with 4 speakers. Her Yamaha F150 has 46 hours and warranty until 8/30 of 2022. She's sitting on her trailer and ready to go in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina. You can call Berry-Boger Yacht Sales at 843-249-6167 and ask for John Gore. This is a nice boat, ready to go for the season.